So February is officially over, and that means we have our full month data for our investing experiment. I've been thinking about the best way on how I can definitely present this to you. Because looking at the final dollar amount doesn't tell you the whole story. The only way to judge these four strategies is to look at its percentage return. And when you look at that, one of them just didn't underperform, it failed. As a reminder, we have four investment strategies in this experiment. We have daily, weekly, bi weekly, and monthly. And we're looking at the best investment schedule out of these four. For 1 month, we're looking at an actual winner and an actual loser for this month of February. So let's start with the one that failed. The only investment schedule that returned or ended up as red. Do you have any idea what that would be? If you're thinking about daily, you're right. This has the worst performance of them all. Coming in last place with a negative 0.15% is the daily investment. The only one out of four to lose its investment value. Now, here's the most compelling story. The other three investment schedule that we have all ended up as a gain. Now, on our top three, just staying a little bit above of our cost or investment is same as last week. Team Weekly ended up with a return of 0.57% at the end of the month. Not bad, but that is definitely not good. Second place, it's gonna be our monthly strategy, which we have a return of 0.57% for the month of February. It's not big, but definitely good. I mean, 0.57 in just 1 month is a really good deal because interests in the banks are less than 1%. So I would say better than banks, but you have the risk. And that means our official winner for this month is our bi weekly strategy, which ended up on a return of 0.96% of gain. So, what does this mean for the month of February? Well, the story for the month of February is actually crystal clear. The market are almost flat or violently move up a little bit and down and ended up on the same place from the beginning of the month to the end of the month. I hate to say this, but this is a choppy market for the month of February. And being too active comes with a cost. The daily strategy, which is constant daily $20 of investment, essentially suffered death by 1,000 cuts, locking in small losses that added up and ended up lost for the month one. The top three strategies that we have where we invested a larger amount of money were able to absorb the noise of the market, which ended up performing better than investing daily. So definitely suggest for the month that it's better to get your money sit in the market rather than timing the market every day, which is definitely not a good idea. But that sets up the cliffhanger for the March. Maybe it's just because the market's not too good for the month of February. How about if it's gonna be a lot better for the month of March? If the market drops hard for the month of March, maybe the daily will be able to take advantage of its daily investing because the daily were able to absorb the losses first and then suddenly having a highest gain for the end of March. Maybe the loser for this month of February will be our winner for the month of March. I have to ask you, are you even surprised that the daily investment is the only one that failed out of our four investment strategies? Let me know your thoughts. I'm gonna read them all and be happy to connect with you all. So, thank you so much, guys, for joining me in this investing experiment. Hopefully, you enjoy this and learn something from it. So, I will definitely take advantage of investing daily, weekly, and bi weekly and monthly, just for you to know and for us to discover which investment strategy works best. Before I leave you all, I have one verse to share with you all. Zechariah 4, verse 10, which is the same from last week. Do not despise the small things, for the Lord rejoices that the work begin. If you want to see how the story unfolds for the month of March, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and click that notification bell down below. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Hopefully you learned something from it, and God bless.